Hello friends, welcome to Artificial Intelligence class. Here we are going to see the greedy best first searching algorithm that will come under the informed searching strategies from first unit problem solving. Greedy best first searching algorithm, and this algorithm always select the best path which appears at the moment. Okay, so this is starting node, neighboring nodes are there, and this may be the goal. Okay, and this always to select which is the best path, and that will select only that best path to reach the goal. Okay, and it is the combination of depth first search and breadth first search, that is DFS and BFS, right? And it uses heuristic function for searching the node. And with the help of best first search, at each step we can choose most promising node. Okay, by using the best first searching technique, we are using only the promising node that leads towards the goal. And in the best first searching algorithm, we expand the node which is closest to the goal, and the minimum cost is estimated by the heuristic function. So this is greedy best first searching algorithm. This algorithm uses the evaluation function f of n is equal to h of n. Okay, h of n is nothing but the heuristic function that is used to estimate the cost of node n to goal node. That is the current state to goal state cost. Estimated cost is nothing but the assumed cost. This is not the actual cost. This is not actual cost, but this is the assumed cost. And this algorithm ignores the cost of the path that has already been traversed to reach the node. Okay, already visited nodes will not be considered for traversing further, and therefore the solution is not necessarily optimal. That is, the greedy best first searching algorithm is not an optimal algorithm. And let us see one example for this greedy best first search. And this is the graph, problem graph. This is the problem graph, and this is the heuristic table. Both will be given in the problem itself, right? And here we are having this starting node, and this is our goal. Okay, and by using how this greedy best first search with the help of heuristic value, we are creating the path from starting state to goal state, right? We will see all these things. First, we have to start from starting state. We have to start from starting state. The starting state is having three children, C, E and B. The heuristic value of C is 329, and the heuristic value of E is 353, and the heuristic value of B is 374. B is 374. Among these three, which is the minimum value? 253 is the minimum value. Okay, so we can select this E for further expansion. Okay, from E we are having G. G is the adjacent node, and H is another adjacent node. From E we can go to A also. Okay, we can go to A also, right? And now the heuristic value of G is 193, and the heuristic value of F is 178. So this is F is 178, and heuristic value of A is 366. Okay, and A is already visited, so we cannot select this particular node. Okay, among these two, the F is giving the minimum heuristic value, so we can select F is for further expansion, right? From F we are having two nodes. One is to I, and the another one is E. E is already visited here, so we cannot use this E here. And I is our goal state, right? And now we need to estimate the path from starting state to goal state. Okay, so the path is A, E, F, I. So A to E, E to F, F to I is the path. And what is the path cost here? Path cost here, this is 140 plus 99 plus 211, that is 450. The path cost is 450. Okay, and what is the drawback of this particular searching algorithm? When come to C, if suppose C value is 250, okay, C value, heuristic value is 250, okay, from A, this is C, the heuristic value is 250 and E heuristic value is 253 and B's heuristic value is 374. Among these three, which one is the minimum? C is the minimum. Okay, C is having minimum heuristic value. So we have to select only this C for further expansion, right? Let us see what will happen in this situation. Okay, so initially we can start from the starting state. This heuristic value is 366. So from the starting state we are having three other states, C, E and B. The heuristic value of C is 250. This is very much less when compared to the other two states. So we have select this C is for further expansion. Okay. From C we are having the node D and A. Okay. A is already visited, so we cannot go to A. Okay. So D is the only option for us to expand further. From D we cannot go back because C is already being visited, isn't it? So D, C, D, that will go on like that. Okay, so we met the infinitive branch. Infinitive loop will be there. Okay, we cannot reach the goal state. So this is the one of the drawback when using the heuristic searching value. And the greedy best first search can start down an infinite path and never return to try other possibilities. Okay, so it is called as incomplete. Okay, in our example, it cannot restart our path, new search. Okay, it cannot go back to starting state and it will not do the research for finding the root path. So this is the very big drawback of greedy best first search. And because it will meet the dead end, and greedy best first search resembles depth first search in the way it prefers to follow a single path all the way to reach the goal. Okay, but in the best first search it will go back up and hit the dead end. The quality of heuristic function determines the particular usability of greedy search. So the heuristic function value is very important here. The heuristic value should be important for all the nodes. And evaluation of this greedy best first search algorithm. This algorithm is not optimal. Okay, it will not give optimal solution and it is incomplete also. If it is struck in dead end, then it will not reach the goal, so it is incomplete. And the worst case, both time complexity and space complexity of this algorithm is order of b power m. B is the branching factor and m is the maximum path length. After this we have seen the greedy best first searching algorithm, and it is one of the popular informed searching algorithm. And in the next class we will see the A-star algorithm, and this is most important question from first unit. If you have any query, you please write in the comment box, and you can give your suggestion also in the comment box. Thank you.